good day to all. In this session, let us solve additional problems relating to computation of stock levels. Problem 1. From the following information relating to three materials, calculate minimum level of G, maximum level of E, reorder level of F, and average stock level of G. The weekly usage of these materials vary from 175 units to 225 units. Raw materials G, E, F. Particulars are given. Reorder quantity in units 10,000, 5,000, 1,000. Minimum delivery period given in weeks 1, 3 and 2. Average delivery period given in weeks 2, 4 and 3. Please note, in this problem, information relating to three materials is given. We have been asked to calculate minimum stock level of G, maximum level of E, reorder level of F, and average stock level of G. The minimum usage is given 175 units, maximum usage is 225 units. If we want to know the average consumption or normal consumption, we use the formula minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2, that is 175 plus 225 units divided by 2. Reorder quantity is given in the problem. Minimum delivery time is given. Average delivery time is also given. Now please be careful. We need to calculate total delivery period, maximum delivery period for few of our calculations. So based on the information asked, let us proceed with the solution. In the first step, we calculate the minimum level of G. The formula to calculate minimum level is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now please note, as we have discussed earlier, to calculate minimum level, first we need to calculate the reorder level first. The formula to calculate the reorder level is maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Now for material G, the maximum usage is given in the problem 225 units into maximum reorder period. Now the maximum reorder period is not given. Instead, in the problem, minimum and average delivery period is given for material G. So therefore, first let's calculate what is the total of minimum and maximum delivery period. If average is 2, the maximum of minimum and maximum delivery period should be 4 weeks. So when total of minimum and maximum is 4, if minimum is 1, then the maximum reorder period would be 3. So 225 units into 3 weeks comes up to 675 units. Now let us substitute the values to the formula of minimum level. Reorder level is calculated, that is 675 units minus normal consumption as discussed earlier. Minimum plus maximum divided by 2 comes up to 200 units into normal reorder period or average reorder period is given in the problem, that is 2 weeks. So the minimum level of stock for G is 275 units. Let's proceed with the calculation of maximum level of E. The formula to calculate maximum level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. Now before calculating the maximum level, let's first calculate the reorder level of E. Formula is maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Now please note, for material E, once again minimum delivery time and average delivery time is given in weeks. Maximum usage is given 225 units. Therefore, first let us calculate the maximum reorder period. If average is 4, then maximum should be the total of minimum and maximum should be 8. If the minimum is given 3, 8 minus 3 comes up to the maximum period, nothing but 5 weeks. So 225 units into 5 weeks comes up to 1125 units. Let us proceed with the computation of maximum level of E by substituting the values. Reorder level 1125 units plus reorder quantity that's given in the problem 5000 units minus minimum consumption is given 175 units into minimum delivery time is also given to be 3 weeks. So therefore, the maximum level of stock for E is 5600 units. Next, let us calculate the reorder level of F. The formula to calculate reorder level is maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Once again, for material F, minimum and average delivery time is given. Minimum is 2, average is 3. So therefore, total of minimum and maximum must be 6. 6 minus the minimum delivery time 2. So the maximum delivery time is 4 weeks. So 225 into 4 weeks comes up to 900 units. Last one, average stock level of G. The formula to calculate average stock level is minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity or minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Since in the problem the reorder quantity of material G is given, we use the alternative formula, that is minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. Minimum stock level is already calculated for level G, that is 275 units plus half of 10,000 units. So comes up to 5,275 units. Let me proceed to the next problem. In manufacturing its product Z, Mayu Company Limited uses 2 types of materials A and B in respect of which the following information is supplied. Particulars, raw materials A and B, reorder quantities given in units 3600, 2400, delivery period 1 to 3 weeks, B 3 to 5 weeks. Weekly production varies from 175 units to 225 units, averaging 200 units. Calculate the minimum stock level of material A, maximum stock level of material B, average stock level of A and average stock level of B. Since in order to calculate the minimum and maximum stock levels, we need to calculate the reorder level for material A and material B first. In the first step, we calculate the reorder level by using the formula maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Now for material A, maximum usage, it's clearly given. The weekly production varies from 175 to 225 units. So 175 is the minimum, 225 is maximum. Average units are also given, that's 200 units. But since we require your maximum usage, that is 225 units into maximum reorder period. For material A, it is told delivery period is 1 to 3 weeks. So 1 is minimum, 3 is maximum. So I take here the maximum reorder period 3 weeks. So 225 into 3 weeks comes up to 675 units. Whereas for material B, the maximum consumption is 225 units into the maximum delivery time is given in the problem, that is 5 weeks. 225 into 5 comes up to 1125 units. Next, let me proceed to the computation of minimum stock level. I calculate here the minimum stock level for both the materials since we have to calculate the average stock of A and B. The formula to compute minimum level is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now, how do we calculate the normal reorder period? Minimum plus maximum divided by 2. The average or the normal consumption is given in the problem 200. If not given, we calculate by using the formula minimum plus maximum divided by 2. Reorder level for material A is already computed, 675 units minus normal consumption is 200 units into the normal reorder period for material A is 1 plus 3 divided by 2 comes up to 2 weeks. So therefore, the minimum stock level for material A is 275 units. Whereas for material B, reorder level 1125 units minus normal consumption 200 units into normal reorder period. That is 3 plus 5 divided by 2. That's 8 by 2 comes up to 4 weeks. So total of minimum stock level for material B is 325 units. We have been also asked to calculate the maximum stock level of material B. The formula to calculate maximum stock level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. Reorder period, reorder level is already been calculated. That's 1125 units plus reorder quantity is given in the problem 2400 units minus minimum consumption and minimum delivery time. Both are given in the problem, that is 175 units into 3 weeks. Therefore, the maximum stock level for material B is 3000 units. Now, at the end, we need to calculate the average stock level for both the material A and B. The formula to calculate average stock level, minimum level plus maximum stock level divided by 2, or alternatively, it could be calculated by using the formula minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. Since the reorder quantity is given in the problem, we opt for the second formula, minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. For material A, minimum level is 275 units plus half of reorder quantity is given, that is 3600 units. Therefore, the average stock level for material A is 2075 units. Whereas for material B, minimum level is already calculated, that's 325 units plus half of reorder quantity is given, 2400 units. So the average stock level for material B is 1525 units. Let me proceed to the last problem with regard to computation of stock level. The components of AX and BX are used as follows. Normal usage 300 units per week each. Maximum usage is given 450 units per week each. Minimum usage 150 units per week each. Reorder quantity for AX it's 2400 units, BX it is 3600 units. Reorder period for AX it is 4 to 6 weeks, BX 2 to 4 weeks. Calculate for each component reorder level, minimum level, maximum level and average stock level. Now please note here, normal usage is given, that's 300 unit. Maximum and minimum usage is also given. Reorder quantities for AX and BX are given separately. Whereas reorder period for AX component is 4 to 6 weeks, means 4 is the minimum reorder period, 6 is the maximum. If you want average, that's 4 plus 6 divided by 2 comes up to 5 weeks. For BX, it is once again 2 to 4 weeks it is given in the problem. Minimum is 2, maximum is 4. If you would like to know the normal or average reorder period, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2 comes up to 3 weeks. Let us proceed with the computation of reorder level first. Formula to calculate the reorder level is maximum usage into maximum reorder period. So for material or component AX, it is 450 units. The maximum usage that's given into maximum reorder period is also given 6 weeks. So 450 into 6 comes up to 2700 units. For material BX, maximum consumption is 450 units into maximum delivery time is given, that's 4 weeks. So therefore the reorder level is 1800 units. The formula, the next one, let's calculate the minimum level. The formula is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now reorder level is already calculated in step number 1. That's 2700 units minus normal consumption. It's given in the problem, that's 300 units into normal reorder period. Already discussed, that's 4 plus 6 divided by 2, that's 5 weeks. So therefore the total minimum level for material AX is 1200 units. Whereas for material BX, the reorder level is 1800 units minus normal consumption 300 units into normal reorder period is 3 weeks. The total of minimum level for material BX is 900 units. Next one, maximum level. The formula to calculate maximum level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. reorder level, which is clearly given in the problem. 2700 units plus 2400 units minus minimum consumption 150 units into minimum delivery time is 4 weeks. So therefore the maximum level for material AX is 4500 units. For material BX 1800 units, that's reorder level computed plus reorder quantity is given in the problem 3600 units minus minimum consumption 150 units into minimum delivery time is given 2 weeks. Therefore, the maximum stock level is 5100 units for material BX. Last one, average stock level. The formula to calculate average stock level is minimum stock level plus maximum level divided by 2, or alternatively, it could be calculated by using another formula, that's minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity. I use the first formula, that's minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2 for material AX. Minimum level is 1200 plus maximum level is 4500 divided by 2. It comes up to 2850 units. For material BX, minimum level is 900 plus maximum level is 5100 divided by 2 comes up to 3000 units. With this, I end my session.